This is an audio presentation of the feedback provided to the author of the work sample. The writing task was to write an explanative text which required you to choose a topic which explored a phenomenon which you were interested in describing. In order to prepare you for the task, we discussed in class some of the unique elements associated with this style of writing. Do you remember during the discussion we talked about the structure and conventions of explanative writing, such as the importance of including a title which would help readers to understand the information was to follow? Your report on the phenomenon of the torchlight began well with a strong and informative title which described clearly what you would be writing about and explaining. You made a good attempt to use metaphor as a way of simplifying the technical jargon for your audience of readers. I was impressed with your decision to use several complex sentences, as this added positively to the interest and readability of the piece. Your sentence of statements were logically ordered, and this reflected an understanding of the explanative text genre. It's clear that you have invested time to research the torchlight phenomenon, and this is evidenced by your inclusion of specific electrical science terms and vocabulary. You have used appropriate punctuation and grammar in your explanations. Although sequence of words such as then and next can be used to explain a process, procedure or action, it is not really targeting the task at hand, which was to write an explanative style text. Also, the behaviours you are describing happen instantaneously, at the speed of light, rather than sequentially one after the other. This may indicate that we need to make some time to look at procedural genre writing so that we can compare it with the explanative style. Another area that we could explore is how to go about finding the specific technical vocabulary we need to accurately describe the torque function. Perhaps we could Google some technical sites as a class activity or as an individual iPad exercise. Apart from helping us to learn some new words, it will help with our syntax and grammar. Your use of punctuation was limited to full stops, so this is something that we could do some further work on. Overall, I enjoyed reading your explanation and found it to be both interesting and informative. Well done.